Welcome to AkoneKids Science Podcast, where curiosity meets discovery. I'm your science host, and today we're diving into episode 8 of our Curious Kids Club series, where science isn't just fun, it's spectacular. Get ready to unlock the secrets of science as we make learning an adventure you won't forget. Today's big question comes straight from you, our amazing listeners. Why does lightning happen, and why is the sky blue? Great questions. Let's dive into the electrifying world of weather and light. Lightning happens when there's a buildup of electrical energy in storm clouds. It's like static electricity, but on a much bigger scale. When these opposite charges connect, zap, lightning strikes. And guess what? Thunder is just the sound that follows because lightning heats up the air so fast it causes a shockwave. Now let's talk about why the sky looks blue during the day. This has everything to do with how sunlight interacts with Earth's atmosphere. Sunlight might look white to us, but it's actually made up of all the colors of the rainbow. When sunlight enters Earth's atmosphere, tiny gas molecules scatter shorter wavelengths of light, like blue, more than other colors. So that's why the sky looks blue. But wait, why isn't it purple or green? Great point! Laughing. Our eyes are more sensitive to blue light than violet, which is why we see blue instead of purple. Science is cool, right? Ready to try a hands-on experiment? Grab a flashlight, a clear glass of water, and some milk. We're going to recreate how sunlight scatters in the atmosphere. Whoa! The light looks bluish from the side and orangey red when you look straight through it. That's exactly how sunlight works in the sky. During sunrise and sunset, the light travels farther through the atmosphere, scattering away the blues and leaving us with those beautiful reds and oranges. It's time for our Quanda Corner. One listener asked, can lightning strike the same place twice? Guess what? The answer is yes. In fact, tall structures like skyscrapers and radio towers often get struck multiple times. And here's another cool fact. Lightning can heat the air around it to temperatures hotter than the surface of the sun. Thanks for joining us on this spectacular journey through science. If you have a burning question you'd like us to explore, send it to us at AkoneKidsScience.com. Until next time, keep asking questions and stay curious.